An important feature of PayConfirm is the ability to log in to the digital banking personal account using QR codes. It enhances the security and convenience for the bank's clients. With this functionality, the user will no longer need to enter his credentials. All you need is to start the mobile application PayConfirm on the smartphone and scan the QR code on the login page. The smartphone displays the login details such as time and date of entry, the internet browser used, and operating system of the device on which the login occurs, the personal computer or the user's laptop. After the user has checked the login information and pressed confirm, he is allowed in and gets access to his banking account. To take note that all users' activities are, as before, logged and stored in a database. This can be used for any potential conflict resolution.